Determine if x plus 4 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. So to see if x plus 4 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial, but make sure that the factor is written in the form x minus a. This is not written in this form, so we rewrite it as x minus negative 4, and we plug in negative 4 into this polynomial. So we get p of negative 4 equals negative 4 cubed minus 3 times negative 4 squared minus 10 times negative 4 plus 24. Simplifying, we get negative 4 cubed is negative 64. Negative 4 squared is 16. Times 3 is minus 48. Negative 10 times negative 4 becomes plus 40 plus 24. Combining the negative terms, we get 64 minus 48 is negative 112. Combining the positive terms, we get plus 64. These terms do not cancel out. In fact, we get negative 48 as a result, which is a non-zero sum, which means that x plus 4 is not a factor of this polynomial.